Gimbals are designed to counteract jerky hand movements, absorb shocks, and provide fluid motion, giving your videos a polished and professional look. For the GoPro Hero 13, which pushes the boundaries of action camera performance, pairing it with a compatible and powerful gimbal can significantly elevate your videography. In this video, we explore two of the best gimbals for the GoPro Hero 13.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Hohem iSteady 5.0 Gimbal. The Hohem iSteady 5.0 is a highly refined gimbal designed for action cameras like the GoPro Hero 13, offering exceptional stabilization and intelligent features in a compact form. This 3-axis gimbal uses advanced stabilization algorithms to keep footage steady even when you're running, biking, or filming from uneven terrain. The iSteady 5.0 is also built for versatility, with multiple shooting modes including time-lapse, panorama, and motion tracking, giving users the creative tools to produce dynamic and engaging content. Its intuitive button layout and companion mobile app offer easy control over movement and camera settings, reducing setup time and enhancing on-the-fly shooting flexibility. The build quality is both rugged and lightweight, ideal for outdoor adventures, and its long battery life ensures it can keep up with extended shoots. Whether you're capturing action sports or cinematic landscapes, the Hohem iSteady 5.0 provides a reliable and feature-rich platform for smooth, stable, and creative footage. On number 2, we have Aochuan G1 Gimbal. The Aochuan G1 is another top-tier option for GoPro Hero 13 users, known for its precision stabilization and high-performance design. This gimbal features a powerful motor system that effectively neutralizes camera shake across 3 axes, resulting in fluid and stable video even during aggressive movement. One of its standout attributes is its quick setup and smart balancing system, which minimizes the time it takes to start shooting. The Aochuan G1 is also designed with portability in mind, folding down to a compact size without compromising performance. Its ergonomic grip and user-friendly interface make it suitable for beginners and professionals alike. With features such as Bluetooth connectivity, customizable motion paths, and compatibility with a wide range of action cameras, the Aochuan G1 enhances both usability and video quality. Whether you're trail running, skateboarding, or simply vlogging on the go, the Aochuan G1 ensures that your Hero 13 captures every moment with cinematic smoothness and clarity. So these are some of the best gimbals to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.